Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a video reaction. I just want you to listen to this audio message about the update of kidnapping and insecurity going on in our land, in Igbo land, in Biafran. Many people don't understand it, but this is an eyewitness or probably first-hand class information. You can listen to that and tell me what you think about it, because this is not easy, to be honest with you. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. So the audio is in Igbo language. If you don't understand Igbo language, I'm very sorry. And please, for Igbo speaking people, if you can understand Igbo language, please enjoy this audio. Very, very important that you do, for you to know what is going on in Southeast, in Igbo land, in Biafra land, as Fulani and bandits are pushing hard, hoping to conquer and take over the land, while most of you are hell-bent in selecting people that will form one government that I don't know. That we don't know. They're not gonna do anything for you, because what is at stake? I normally said this before, that what is at stake is our nation, our land. It's not about Biafra because you want to build your own government or something like that. No, it is beyond that. Your land, your existence, your nation has been mapped out for extermination, and you need to do something about it. Listen to this.
Nimo, ekele m asị m ka m mee voice note a maka kemgbe Saturday. My sister, second eldest sister, has been the point of contact of kidnappers who kidnapped a vehicle Kaja Anambra through Onitsha Road, and Gide me pastor kidnapped with 10 others. Then I need check in the upper last. Eventually, I will number my sister. Boy, see, and I had G 1 year working. I had 10 million or a boy rare his parts. Yet you were selling 1 year worker. Yeah, for my other brother. Yeah, as I have one K and when working. Yeah, you are le brand boy halfway again. See, let that brother uncle have one up boy. See, your brother pastor, that his pastor, that his stupid Jesus and all those things. Anyway, ejijiri ya kemgbe ahụ nwanne m nwaanyị ahụ nọ panic attack because onye nke tọrọ di ya, who happened to be a supermarket nwere chains of supermarket na Ụmụahịa. Ndị bi Ụmụahịa ga na-anụ Obiora supermarket, Ndubeze supermarket, and a couple of them, all the man, they kidnapped him. So that panic, my sister now. Well, came by Hannah boy. The bottom line, bro, yesterday they were 10 million. Hasibu now 15 million. Bagidea be na 10. They were 10 million. Gabuya, Munye the man, where together with 50,000 ojina kasi and when on release the game condition on the Jiba motor. 10 million, 150 million. Yeruzi today. I release the apata. Him jina kaka this thing happened in Imo State. Has na Hames return back. Tepaka han lata go where. But how it happened was that na I was on a checkpoint with full Nigerian uniform, either police or army, whatever. As a driver to a chemo when a driver to another person enter the vehicle. How was a driver? And the 10 passengers went somewhere. They reckon not on the vehicle back. They were heading back. Eventually, that's how they found themselves anymore here. This is that Owerri road, Onitsha road. I find his own way anymore here. Today, I think it's either Amaka here or Agra drop or Ahego. So, but the voice note about what the pastor said. The pastor said, ha dị 10. 4 people na-enweghị mmadụ dị anọkwa n'ebe, they shot them instantly. Na ha dị 4 agbagburu. N'otu ahụ a na-agbagbu ya ka ndị na-abọ mmadụ na-abọ ya na ka a na-abọ akwụkwọ aka separate organs na ndị na-azụkwa ha na-abịa na that Imo steeti. Ya nwa ha bịara kegide n'eriri ụkwụ ya abụọ kpọwa ya isi n'ala ka ya agba ya boot. Mana the shocking thing bụ na ha si ya na ọkwa ndị Igbo si na ha na Fulani ga-eme that they are here. Na ha ga-egbugide Igbo one by one na-egbu ha until there will be no men left to challenge them, and then the full blown out war will come. Now they have come and that this place forever belong to them. Ihe a bụ ihe ha gwara pastor. Then pastor akpọrọ ha baa, ọ sị there is a camp, existing camp, na ihe ya hụrụ dị adịghị less than 300 men, not less than 300 men. Na ha na-apụ na-abata, ndị na-aga azụ ihe oriri, ihe osisi, ma ndị na-abụ kashi mmadụ. N'otu a ka anọdụ ya n'ime ọhịa. This will be between I don't know, so between that Mbafecha ihe Bawa. Anyway, this thing happened in Ozo Owerri Onitsha Road, as they said. I said 300, not less than 300 men. And otu ebu ha bata, the next day na-ebu ka ndị mmadụ bata. Ihe m ji na-ekwu ihe ahụ maka ịma na-ekwu ihe ndị mmadụ efile that ịpụ na streets ga-ehụ ndị mmadụ eju. Ndị Igbo enweghị plan, ndị Igbo enweghị strategy. Onye ọla na-amali elu, ndị na-agbọ bekee na-agbọ, ndị na-echi echichi na-echi, ndị na-aza this and that, na nekana na-agwa ndị mmadụ na dị marked out for extermination. Achịnawa egwuregwu. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a mere onye ọzọ, m si story bara, but this is directly from my second eldest sister, pastor ya, na ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ọhịa sị na ọkwa ndị Igbo n'otu ha nọ here ka ha nọ n'every state, na they will go silently na-agụrụ anyị before they unleash a full-blown war. And they have statistics of how much we are reducing. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a metụta m na through my sister, maybe ị gaghị anụ ya, ndị ọzọ agaghị anụ ya, and you think nothing is happening. Anyị nọrọ here, anyị gaa meeting, anyị erie ṅụọ, and we think it's all funny. Onye ọbụla nwere ụlọ, nwere ihe na nwee buildings, investment, one thing or the other property, and we think it's funny. Here are ihe enemies nọ na our land okwu, and they are killing people every blessed day, and we think it's funny. Anakwa m asị onye makwa connection ya na etu a ga-eji eme ya, this is not funny. We need to re-strategize why we meet and start talking otu anyị ji secure ala Igbo, because we are out, we are marked out for extermination. Those guys politicize ya ga-asị na hapụ ihe enwe ya na-akọ, is up to you. Mgbe m kwuru ihe pension ya azara na-aga through n'Imo State because my elder sister was involved. Adanne m so na ndị ahụ apịara ihe n'Ọkigwe Road Junction. Na-ekwu ya, some people thought I was just picking on hope until ya here. Ugbu a, everybody is aware of it. Where are those people a na-akwụ ụgwọ? Anyị anọkwala gba nkịtị, ha echekweda all is well. Ndị nke nọ Lagos efile na ha emene. There are mercenaries in Igbo land na-agụrụ mmadụ every day. Ndị mmadụ a na-efu, ụfọdụ kwụọ ụgwọ ha alọghachi, ndị na-akwụghị ụgwọ egbuo, ndị na-azụ pass na-azụ. Icheke your village, ị ga-ama what I'm telling you. Gaa your village na amara how many families ị nwere ike ịba na one village alone. Ị ga-ahụ only maybe 300-400 people. Out of that 400 people, maybe 100 was in the okay, 60 years and above. Enwe ike kpazie ahụ, ndị nke ọzọ ụmụaka, ndị nke ọzọ ụmụ nwaanyị. Ihe ọghọ ndị ga-resist obodo. Enwe ụtaiti re-strategizing and start talking to ourselves, because ihe fesigekwa dịkwa dangerous. Ọ bụrụ na amanụ ihe a n'ọnụ my sister, aga m asị no, this is propaganda. Na ndị mmadụ sị na ha ga na-agụrụ anyị one until there will be no men to resist them. Nakwa ịsa anyị na Fulani that they are here and this place is their own forever. Ihe anyị Amadu Bello kwuru 1960, sị na ọ egwuregwu. Kemgbe ahụ ruo na amụbeghị m that time, it is still active. So biko ihe ahụ what I want to share. Onye hụrụ ma ebe a ga-share ihe to organizations, authorities, ndị connected to nwezina ihe gbasara politicians anymore concerning our safety n'ala Igbo. Ndị nwere ike ikwu ụka na this is one helicopter ha ga ego ha na-eji azụ one bulletproof vehicle that can go up and do surveillance, but onye ọbụla gbachiri nkịtị. Anyị na-eri na-aṅụ echekwa na this is life. Biko onye nwere ebe ọ ga-ashia ihe a, let people know this is serious. This camp is everywhere. If there are 300 men in Imo State between that ụmụaka Awọ Mama, that area Ụmụnọha, ebe ahụ Mgbudi, ọ na-enwere 300 men, ị ga-amazi ndị nọ other places. Otu a ka a na-agụrụ ndị mmadụ yara nde ya wụrụ ụmụ Igbo mara na-efu everyday. Ndewo.